This is the Unicam SC 9125 Single-Mode Fiber Connector. This single-mode fiber connector makes field terminating fiber fast and easy. Using the high-performance Unicam toolkit, connections can be made in as little as 45 seconds. The epoxy-free termination can be done on almost any job site. Unicam's precise manufacturing process ensures a best-in-class optical performance with low intersection loss around 0.1 dB and 0.5 maximum dB per connector. The ceramic ferrules are chip and crack resistant, providing a smoother finish than polymer ferrules. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.